Welcome back to JETMEDIA. Today we're going to talk about the forum on China-African cooperation, which concluded for 3 days earlier this month, as more than 50 African countries went to China in the forum on investment. In this summit, China promised $50 billion investment in African economies, and very many African leaders and African people were happy with such a huge investment by China in African economies. But as we speak now, Africa has a debt of more than $30 billion to China. But is it a debt servicing or is a real investment? China has pledged to invest in green technology, whereby they are going to focus more in the production of electric cars. Just recently, European countries, UK and America blocked the trade of Chinese electric cars. So they have changed their focus to Africa, whereby the $50 billion which they have promised to give to African countries are going to be focused on production of electric cars, infrastructure, economy, military, and education. But the question is, does the money China invests in Africa reflect to the local people, or does it have an impact to the local people in Africa? If you go to countries like Kenya, where China has helped to build the standard gauge railway and many other good infrastructures, but still it doesn't have any impact to the local community. Very many countries in 2023 have traded with China, and South Africa has had a very big magnitude of more than $35 billion, which they have managed to trade with China in 2023, followed by Angola with 27 billion. And remember, Angola has a lot of diamonds and minerals. Is it giving access to China to tap into African minerals, which they have done for the past 15 years? When you go with the statistics, Angola is followed by Nigeria, which has traded with $24 billion in 2023 with China, followed by Democratic Republic of Congo with $22 billion. And when you go to North Africa, Egypt is the leading figure in trading with China in 2023 with $18.2 billion in the products they buy from China and all the technology they are importing with China. In East Africa, Kenya managed to trade with China with $8.5 billion in 2023. But my overview, African economies and African leaders, we should look for the way to focus on import substitution. We have to develop our technologies such that we develop and make our good quality products that we can sell outside Africa, such that we can manage to raise our economies rather than focusing on investment from other foreign countries. They come with repercussions. For the past 15 years, China has tapped into African minerals because of this investment. As Africans, we have to come up with our own strategy to trade and make sure that we develop our capacities through production of good quality products which can compete on the international market. Leave your suggestion and your view in the comment section below. Thank you for listening and being part of this live show today. Thank you.